You think you know your Christmas desserts? It's time to prove it. How fast can you guess these sweet holiday surprises before the timer runs out? Some will be easy, some might trick you. So stay sharp. Keep track of your score, 1 point for every correct guess, and let's find out if you're the ultimate Christmas dessert champion. Ready? Grab your cocoa, and don't forget to like this video if you're excited. The Christmas dessert challenge is starting now. Round 1, the warm beginning. Think warm, cinnamon spiced, golden, and maybe topped with a scoop of melting vanilla ice cream. Do you know it? The timer's ticking. 3, 2, 1. Ding! It's apple pie, the cozy, classic Christmas favorite. Who doesn't love that first warm bite? Round 2, the nutty surprise sticky, sweet, packed with toasted nuts, glistening like caramel gold. This one's pure indulgence. Guess quick. 3, 2, 1. Pecan pie. Rich, nutty, and totally irresistible. Try not to drool. Round 3, the snowy bite. Tiny, round, powdered sugar dusted, and they melt instantly in your mouth. Can you picture them? 3, 2, 1. Snowball cookies. Missed it? Don't worry. Hit subscribe for more dessert practice before Christmas. Round 4, the ginger magic. This one can be eaten or built. Smells like cinnamon, looks like fun, and screams holiday nostalgia. Any guesses? 3, 2, 1. Gingerbread. Bonus points if you imagined a full gingerbread house, because yes, it counts. Round 5, the red beauty soft, luxurious, layered with snowy white frosting. One bite, and it's pure Christmas romance. Do you know it? 3, 2, 1. Red velvet cake, a festive favorite that's almost too pretty to eat. Almost. Chocolate dream rolled, frosted, sprinkled with sugar snow. Looks like a log, tastes like heaven. Think fast. 3, 2, 1. Yule. Log cake. Who else wishes a slice would magically appear right now? If you're enjoying this challenge, make sure to share this video with a friend who loves Christmas desserts. They'll thank you later. Round 7, the British classic rich, soaked, fruity, nutty, and literally set on fire before serving. Do you dare guess? 3, 2, 1. Christmas pudding. A fiery classic that's sure to impress the traditionalists. Round 8, the minty fresh treat. Crunchy, chocolatey, pepperminty. Everyone fights for a piece. 3, 2, 1. Peppermint bark. Bet you can almost taste the crunch and minty freshness already. Round 9, the cozy cup. Not exactly a dessert, but no Christmas movie night is complete without it. Warm, creamy, topped with marshmallows, maybe even a candy cane. Do you know it? 3, 2, 1. Hot chocolate. Imagine someone handing you a mug right now. Pure holiday bliss. Round 10, the sweet finale. Golden brown, shaped like stars or bells, crunchy on the outside, buttery on the inside. Decorated, gifted, or hung on the tree. Last chance. 3, 2, 1. Christmas sugar cookies. The perfect sweet ending to our festive dessert challenge. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. Let's see who's the ultimate Christmas dessert expert. Because the sweetest part of Christmas isn't just the food. It's sharing magical, fun moments like this together. If you had fun, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more festive challenges.